Now let's talk about how to compare compound units in words. Here the question says, 16 quarts and 2 pints less than 2 gallons is equal to how many pints? Right from this question, we can take a couple different things. We know that less than means that we're going to subtract. We know that we're going to start off with 2 gallons since our 6 quarts and 2 pints less than 2 gallons is going to give us our answer. And we know that we're going to subtract from it 6 quarts and 2 pints. Now, in order to do this, we're going to want to get everything into the same unit. Our units that we're using here are quarts, pints, and gallons. So in order to get this all into the smallest unit that we're using, we're going to put everything into pints. Now we're going to need some formulas to do this. We need to know that 1 quart is equal to 2 pints, and that 1 gallon is equal to 8 pints. Now let's make some conversions. Here we have 6 quarts and 2 pints. This is the same thing as saying 6 times the 2 pints in each of the quarts plus the 2 pints that we already had. Now 6 times 2 is 12 plus 2 is 14 pints. So we have 14 pints less than 2 gallons. Now, how many pints are there in 2 gallons? We know that 1 gallon has 8 pints, so if we have 2 gallons, we're going to multiply that by 8 and find that 2 times 8 is 16 pints. So now our question is asking us, 14 pints less than 16 pints is how many pints? We're going to take our 16, subtract our 14, and find that what we have left over is 2 pints. So if we have 6 quarts and 2 pints less than 2 gallons, we have 2 pints.